G'day guys, Ryde here, your coffee coach, and I'm here at Torre, which is a fantastic little manufacturer of coffee machines. I'm here with Andrea. Thank you very much for meeting and talking with us. Now, you've got some special machines that aren't just your traditional Italian E61 group heads, but something a little bit more special. So tell us what's going on.
So we produce something different using traditional E61 group, but with some special feature.
Let's check it out.
Okay. This machine is our top range machine. It's a dual boiler with a 1.5 liter boiler, stainless steel, 316L for steam and hot water. Coffee boiler, 0.7 liter, again in 316L stainless steel, only to making coffee. We have some different feature compared to our competitor because, for example, we have our signature, this lever. This lever we call ergo lift. This lever allows to avoid touching the hot water wand and also to remove cappuccino cup in case you have to do 2 cappuccino. With the traditional E61 lever, you have to move the cup and start the irrigation. Here you can start the irrigation without touching anything. And also you can recognize our product everywhere because all the company use normally 61 group. We want to be different. So this is smart idea. It's simple, it's very simple, but it works. And the machine was equipped with a touchscreen display with some exclusive function. For example, you can adjust the temperature of the water that comes out of the group, pre-infusion with pump or without pump, manage the pressure of the steam boiler. And this is our exclusive function. Now it's set in German language, but you can decide how many steam and water you have in a steam boiler. Some market that require more steam, so you can decide to have more steam or more hot water. Another feature is the auto start. You can set 2 different slots for every day of the week, but inside this slot you can set also the auto on and off of the steam boiler. So for example, machine wake up at 8 a.m. and shut off 12 p.m. But in this time you can decide to shut off, for example, 10 a.m. the steam boiler because you don't need to do a cappuccino. If the steam boiler is turned off, you can turn on manually by pressing on the display. So there is a lot of function. The display shows also the pressure of the pump, the pressure of the steam boiler. There is a shortcut for the alarm. You can set some alarm for cleaning, for the maintenance, for the filter. All the function of the machine are managed with touchscreen display.
I love that. I love that idea that you can start the machine off in the morning for your espresso or the cappuccino, and then, we don't need to drink cappuccino after 12, so then the steam boiler goes off and you can have this on there.
You can decide, because for us it's also important to save some energy.
Yeah.
Very important is also this machine was equipped with 2 heating elements, because with 2 boiler, machine is equipped with 2 heating elements, but the maximum consumption, instant consumption, is 1,400 watts. Because the heating element never work together. So before start the coffee heating element, and when coffee heating element reach the right temperature, stop to work and start the heating element of the steam. So for example, you have to use a iron at home or a dishwasher. You don't have a problem with the energy, because the maximum energy consumption is 1.4 kilowatts.
That's wonderful. It's actually such a compact machine for a dual boiler as well.
Machine have water tank. You can remove complete cup holder with cup rail, 5mm stainless steel. You can remove the water tank, but in the same time you can also connect the machine to the water mains. In front, under the drip tray, there is a connection, bypass step, and you select here Let me change the language because I put in English. Okay. You select the date, tank or plumbed in. Here you close the bypass tap and the machine can work directly connected to the water mains. This is the top range where we put also the new luxury line, but we produce also this kind of machine. So this is a 1.5 liter boiler with heating exchanger. In this case we use a copper boiler because we need the maximum reaction of the material, because copper, as you know, is more fast taking temperature.
Yeah.
So you can set 4 different temperatures using the small button, and you see on the OLED display in front.
Okay.
You set from 90, 92, 94, 96.
Okay.
So you set low, medium, high, and hot. Shoot timer here, and all the function. At the end of the irrigation, the machine show all the setting. In this case, 1.5 second pre-infusion, because also the pre-infusion with a single button you can manage, and you can manage also eco modus from 30 minutes to 90 minutes and decide to turn off the eco modus. And there is a special feature. This is a machine with heating exchanger. If machine was set in low temperature, it's possible that you don't have enough steam. So by pressing here quickly, you activate a steam boost function. So for 2 minutes, the machine go over 2 bar to have a maximum steam power.
Right.
Very important, machine is available with vibration pump and also with the rotary pump with stainless steel head.
Wow.
There is not option for plumbed in because it's very compact. In this case, machine is with rotary pump.
It's nice and quiet.
Not very quiet. So, because we use a special method to fix the motor.
Yeah.
Keep press the button, and you go into the menu. Quick press for scroll, for example, temperature or pre-infusion. Keep press the button to go, and by quick press you can select your pre-infusion time or disable. For example, 1.5 second, keep press, selected. Now the pump start after 1.5 seconds.
That's cool.
So you can choose between mechanical pre-infusion or forget and
just do that and it automatically starts. That's excellent. Where can you ship these? Are you shipping these all around the world?
Yes. We have a distributor all around the world. We distribute in Australia.
Yep.
In the United States, Southern East, all the Europe, so all around the world.
Yeah, great. Now, before we get to the really exciting part, do we have retail pricing for these machines, or is it best to leave it with...
So this machine in Europe, for example, the suggested price for final customer is 2,800 euro. This machine equipped with a vibration pump is 1,750 around, but it depends, it's the minimum suggested, but it depends by discount. Or with rotary pump, minimum suggested price is 2,100 euro. It's available in different color, for example, complete black. We sell a lot of total black coffee machine, but the news that we present in the exhibition is our luxury line.
Yeah, so this is the exciting part. Show us how customizable this machine is.
This machine, we have 19 different proposals with color and insert. Consider these inserts are ceramic with, in this case, aluminum, or ceramic with stainless steel, shine and brushed with a 3D effect. In this case, inserts are like jewelry. So people that want something special, that want special color, special design to fit the machine inside a special kitchen or a home, we can do everything. In this case, we have 19 proposals, but people can customize everything.
So when you say 19, you mean 19 different shapes and metallics?
19 different color, and
this
is proposal already done.
Yeah, okay.
So, for example, for final customer, this proposal in Europe, because when the machine go all around the world, obviously there is a cost for shipping, so every country have his price. But in Europe is around 3,300 euro.
Total?
Yes.
So the machine
total.
plus,
machine with this kind, for example, this one is our flagship, is in total black with this.
I love it.
With the insert. But we can do everything because our new goal is to satisfy all the customer requests.
Yeah.
So if customer requests pink, we can do pink. If customer have his own insert, we can do. Obviously, we talk about a complete tailor-made coffee machine. Is not our proposal. So we have to discuss about pricing, because when you go to customize, but we are small and we can manage all the requests of the customer. This is our strong.
Yeah.
When you are small, you can do everything.
That's excellent. I love that.
Like, let's say I'm building my kitchen, right? And I've got my tiles, my splashback, you know, in the kitchen and stuff. And I could say, hey, I've got some spare tiles. Can you put it on my coffee machine? You'll say,
yes, we can do.
Match it.
We can do. There is only the limit. Only the limit, obviously.
Yeah.
About the thickness.
Yeah.
About the thickness and about the maximum dimension, because we have to follow the dimension of the coffee machine. But the goal is this. So you have your own insert. You have your own color. We can do.
That's amazing.
Small part of what we can do is just an example. You can take your color, our color. We have more than 10,000 color proposal. So for example, this is color done exactly for us. It's not a commercial color. All the color is powder coating, not liquid.
I love it.
Here you can see the ceramic insert. Is ceramic with aluminium.
Brushed aluminium.
Glass also is all parts that we stick on the machine one by one manually. As you can see here, the stainless steel was cut exactly by laser for this kind of insert. Every insert have its own laser cutting.
It's so good.
All our machines are very quiet because we don't use the standard fixing system for the motor that the motor supplier give us, but we remove and we use our own fixing system designed by us, using special rubber, so we can insulate the vibration of the motor, because the machine need to be quiet.
And I definitely heard that you could not hear the motor running at all when the extraction was on, and the grinder was louder, which is crazy.
The problem is sometimes I forget.
Yes.
when I do cappuccino, I start irrigation, start making cappuccino, and
then you walk off.
It's overflow of the coffee because it's too much quiet.
Well, there you have it. These fantastic espresso machines, fully customized to your home. So with your tiles or your glass and your colors, if you're looking for a machine that's unique to your home, make sure you reach out to Torre or your local distributor and ask them what they can do for you. Thank you so much for talking with us, Andrea.
Thanks to you.
I'm Ryde, your coffee coach, and as always, enjoy your brew.